Hi and welcome. I am so happy to see you here. My name is Lisa Van and I want to give you some inspiration about how to use costumes to create magic stories. The reason why I can tell you something about this is that I have been working with costumes and developed a costume concept for kindergartens through many years now. And I know that when using costumes, magic happens. When you dress up, you step into another character, you change, maybe you change your attitude, you can do so much and you feel this person inside the costumes. So it makes you capable of doing something completely different that you would normally be able to. And this is the magic where the story creates themselves. When you're going to develop stories, use your imagination, your fantasy, and the costumes are a fantastic tool to help this. I would like to give you an example about what happens when you use a costume. I put on this. And now I become a king. I change my attitude. And we already know something about the character which could be important for the story. So, use fantasy, use imagination, use your inner feeling to find out what is the character of the person you are playing. When you're going to develop a story, I could suggest you to do it this way. Find some friends, ask them to find a costume, and find out what characterizes this person you want to play. You put those characters together and find out why are they together. Are the reason behind a wedding or do you want a special subject, something specific to happen? And then you, by fantasy, create the stories. By using costumes, it would be so much more easy because you jump into another personality, you have another role, you can do so much more. If you don't have any costumes, don't worry. There's a lot of opportunities in your own closet. Go and find a hat, find a scarf, and you will see that they can make wonderful costumes too. For example, I would like to be an old lady. Or I could be a Spanish toreador. Or I could be a gangster. Or I could be a princess. And if I feel I miss her crown, I would just take scissors and paper and make it on my own. I really hope you'll enjoy yourself by making your own fantastic stories. Remember, keep it simple, have fun, let your fantasy do the magic.